Welcome to my first train vlog and also welcome to a super interesting vlog. So please watch the full video. Wow, now I'm ready to make a video. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vision. It's Vishnu here. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a small vlog from Coimbatore to Bangalore in train. Yes friends, this will be a very interesting video. So please watch the full video and like, share and subscribe. So now let's get into the video. Yes friends, as you can see that Coimbatore junction, now the train is departing from Coimbatore junction. This is a big junction and it has I think 6 to 7 platforms. Right? Now this is platform number 3 and it's also one of the clean railway junction in Tamil Nadu. Here friends, you can see that there are many trains and there is a electric locomotive engine and there are many police cops here to check that we are wearing masks or not. Friends, as you can see here, this is the main Coimbatore city. There are many roads and flyovers here. Yes, you can see the big road through here. So this is also a third largest city in Tamil Nadu and it's very good. Hi. Yes friends, now you can see we are passing through the Coimbatore city. Yes, there are many buildings found here. These are Brookfield Mall, Ganga Hospital and many other houses and buildings. So you can see the track. Now it's a double track line, so it's fully electrified because this tracks goes to Kerala on the opposite way and goes to Salem on same way. Friends, now the train is moving slowly. Here you can see there are many tracks, but in Coimbatore each and every track and each and every division of railways it's fully electrified. And in India within 2022 all the full all Indian railway tracks will be electrified. So here you can see the Ganga hospital friends. This is a very famous hospital to treat bone problems, bone accidents. So there is a ortho hospital and there are many small houses too. Now the train is in its full speed friends. Friends, you can see that the train is in full speed now. Now it's very dark guys, but the train is in its full speed friends. After many days a train travel and with safety measures, you can. I'm with mask and see minute please. Here I'm having a sanitizer also. So this is very safe. Then you can see passengers, they are sleeping but they are wearing masks. So this is a good thing. So this is a window view friends. Hi. So now I'm going to Bangalore from Coimbatore friends. So So in the starting of video only, I have said that I'm traveling from Coimbatore to Bangalore. Coimbatore is a city in Tamil Nadu and Bangalore is in Karnataka. Okay friends, so this is a very small vlog and very interesting vlog because this is a very informative vlog about trains. Nowadays the train traveling, how it is, to show you, I've just taken a video clip. Okay friends, now the train is in full speed. Now the time is 11:04. So here you can see, now the time is 11:04. So now I'm going to sleep friends. So this class, you can see here. So the fare is around 385. Yes, 385. And the train is in full speed. See here you can see. It's full speed friends. Wow! Friends, now I'm going to end this vlog here. Please like, share and subscribe my English channel. Thank you.